Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve Purvanchal University final paper question, and that is write a program to calculate factorial of a given number using function. So this is frequently coming question in Purvanchal University final exam. So please watch the complete video without skipping even 1 second so you can understand each and every line. I will write code line by line and explain everything so you can understand and do your program by your own. And if you have any question reserved, then please at end of the video don't forget to post your question, and also don't hesitate to ask the question. If you also have any other program and you want solution for that, please post that program in comment section. I will pick the question and solve it out. And if you like my content, please don't forget to give thumbs up to the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started with the concept of programming, very basic concept, and then after we will complete this programming code to stick to the question. Okay guys, so let's see how we can do this. So we have to do the factorial of a given number using function. So we have to declare one function, right? Int integer type value we will get. Okay, so factorial and the number we are passing there. Okay, so here I am just declaring. Even you can define the function itself here, but most of people prefer to go like this, so better to you also follow the same pattern. Now I am going to write the factorial function. Okay, so in factorial, I hope you know the factorial, and if you don't know, please go and watch our factorial video on factorial. It is available in the playlist. Please refer that so you can get the factorial concept. However, let me tell you very shortly. Factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is factorial of 2 is how much? 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Factorial of 3 is how much? 1 into 2 into 3. So like that it goes. I hope you got it now. So what we have to do? We have to do initialization for one counter, and then after we will do for int I equal to 1. I is less than equal to how much? That number, and I plus plus. Then how you can find factorial? So we have to also declare f, right? And f is initially how much? F is 1 initially. Okay, so here we can write f equal to f into I. So every time it will multiply, and finally what we will get? We will return what? F value. So this is factorial function is done. Now what next we have to do? We have to take one input from user, and then after we have to pass that number to the function, and function will return the value, and then after we can print that value. That's it. Okay, so now let me write the main body program. So here int one number I have to read, so let consider any we have to read. Okay, and I will do very simple way. So printf enter a number to get factorial. So it is asking user to give a number to get factorial. So how user can give the input? Using scanf, right? %ld %, no. And I am not going to store the result at any third variable, directly I will write. Okay, so printf the Okay, let me do it using copy paste, so it will be in the same format. Okay, so the factorial of how much? The factorial of given number percentile d means that number using function is will print here. So the number is gram and the result will return at what? The result will return at factorial. Factorial of what? Factorial of num. Okay, and that's it. Let me run it and show you. Okay, so we are running it. So enter a number to get factorial. So let me give 2 and okay, here something. Okay, presentation. Okay, so you can see something. Okay, the print of factorial of what is the issue? Let me find it. Yes. Here actually we have mentioned 2 variable, but specifier is 1. That's why this problem is down to it. This is easy. We can just fix it. Percentile d. That's it. Okay. Let me give. So to get the factorial of 2, so you can see the factorial of given number 2 using function is 2. Let me give 3. So you can see the factorial of 3 is how much? It is returning 6, right? Let me calculate factorial of 5. So it is 120. Let me calculate factorial of 55. So this is 0 because this is size is too large. The data size is not accommodating the space. Okay, give me 8. So it is 40320. So this is all about this programming, and if you really like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with other friends so they can also learn this program. And if you have any question, then please don't hesitate to ask me. And even I am going to provide these all codes on the Deep Code Guru website, and soon that website link will be available on the video description, as well as I am also going to provide this online compiler link in video description, so you can practice by your own. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.